Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a non-traditional turkey the Haitian way. So here I have melted butter, I have green bell pepper, this is the grandma's sauce. It makes your food, the process is a lot quicker and it tastes really good. And then this one is coconut, and well, we're going to need the milk. We have garlic, we have lime, and this is thyme. I put it in the freezer, so that's why it looks like that. And I have some red bell pepper, I have some olive oil, tomato, I have parsley, and oregano, I believe that is. And oh, also here's another spicy sauce for the turkey. And I have two different kinds. I have the all-purpose grandma's sauce, and then the other one is more acidic. So that other one is for meat and seafood. Okay. This is my turkey, guys, and this turkey is big. It's just one turkey, and it's a lot. Let's see if you guys can really see it. Yeah, so when you have a big turkey like this, if you don't have a lot of people eating it with you, so it's best to cut it into pieces. That way you can enjoy it for a longer period of time. So I'm gonna show you guys how to marinate your turkey, and it's gonna taste delicious. First thing, you have to boil some water and pour it on the turkey. But if you're gonna have a whole turkey, then you don't need to do that. So basically that's when you cut it into pieces. When you cut it into pieces, you're gonna boil some water, pour on it, and then you're gonna drain that water. Okay, make sure you on that water you can add some lime and some salt. So, and then also you have to clean, wash, rinse the meat, the turkey, before you pour the hot water. With I usually put it like if you guys are following my videos, so you'll know how to prep your meat before you pour the hot water. Okay, so then now we're gonna add the ingredients. Okay, I'm really multitasking today. I'm holding the baby in one hand. Say hello turkey. And I'm making the video. Now I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients that I'm gonna put in there. Let's switch hand. Whew. And now I'm adding the grandma's sauce I told you guys. Pour it on it. And then it's good to add some melted butter. It's a stick of butter. Because it's, like I said, it will make it really moist. And here I have some olive oil. And the other one was the spicy grandma's sauce. This one is the all-purpose one. And now I'm gonna add some green bell pepper, some red bell pepper. I'm gonna also add some onions, but oops, sorry. But like I said, I'm holding my daughter right now, so I have to just use what I have on hand right now. And also I told you guys that I'm breastfeeding, so that's why I really encourage you guys to use the the grandma's sauce, because it's all natural. So, and then that's the thyme that I'm adding here. And also I'm gonna add some coconut milk, okay, that I have on the side here. Okay. Let me put her down and see if I can finish the video. And I have some tomatoes, so I'm going to cut the tomato to add it in there.